Are you looking for to fix Blink app not working? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. Start by searching for the application Blink and then tap and hold the app. Click on Remove App and then click on Delete App. Once it has been uninstalled, you need to try reinstalling the application. Once it has been reinstalled, head over to the App Store. In the search bar, search for the application Blink and then move into it. Right here, you can see the option of Open. Instead of Open, if you see the option of Update, then you are not using the updated version of the app, and it might be the reason that you might be facing the issue. In this case, tap on Update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Blink and then click on it. Now tap on Offload App. Once again click on Offload App. It will clear all of the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.